Hey, this is Chap Nova. Today I'm going to give you free access to my free AI prompt generator tool for email sequences. No writing skills needed, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, okay? So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how you can get access to this free tool. Really simple. So we're just going to come over here to my free tool, okay? And I'm going to scroll down right here. This is the free AI prompt generator tool. It does a whole bunch of things. The last 3 videos I made had to do with doing blog posts, and then the other one had to do with sales page. Today, I'm going to do it on email sequence, okay? So we're just going to go over here. I'm going to do email list right here because those match together. Then what I'm going to do too is I'm going to go so you can see this. I'm going to do something so you can just see. Let's see here. Just it media. All right, I'm going to show you how I have like a sequence here. So I give away 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts, okay? So I'll put a link below the video for this too in the description also with the free AI prompt generator tool. But here's something right here. I'm just going to show you. So like if you have something like this set up yourself or, obviously not the same as mine, I'm going to show you basically how you can use this prompt generator, okay, this AI prompt generator. So here it is. This is all the stuff. This is what I give away. It's a lot of really good things. I'm giving you ChatGPT prompts in 7 different niches, okay? Customer service, productivity, human resources, sales, marketing, business, and startup, okay? So I'm giving you all these things for free that will help your business, okay? But to get back on here, so I'm giving away 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts, okay, to supercharge your business. So basically what's happening is I come over here, and it says, what do you want the contact to be about? So basically I'm giving people the 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. So basically I'm writing here how to use these 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts to build your business, okay? So once they sign up right here and put their name and email address, okay, they're going to be on an email list of mine. And then basically what I can do, or what you can do, is you can come over here to this free AI prompt generator tool for email sequences, and you can pick which one you want. We're on the email sequence. Then you can come over here to beginners, because most people are beginners when they first get started because they're not really sure what's going on. Then you can come here and you write your tone. You can either do like friendly and encouraging, professional and authoritative, casual and conversational, high converting, direct response. I'm probably just going to do this one. I like the friendly and encouraging, okay? So the email, you can make the email short, medium, and long. I'm actually going to do it short because a lot of times shorter emails do better, but you can test and see exactly what you want to do by just practicing. That's the only way we do it. Keep these boxes right here checked, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click right here, generate prompt. Then I'm going to click on copy prompt. I'm going to go over here to ChatGPT. You can actually use, if you look here, you can use ChatGPT, Claude, or any other AI writer, okay? So it's very simple. So we're going to come back over here. I'm going to paste the prompt right in here, and then we're going to click right here, and then ChatGPT or whoever you're using, which AI writer, is going to start the process right here. So it's just going out here. It's making an outline right here. Just going right here, the big opportunity, how to use prompts step by step. Real business use cases, then common mistakes to avoid, and then action plus upgrade CTA, okay? So now what we're doing right here is it says email sequence, how to use these 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts to build your business. So here's email 1. It gives you the subject line. It gives you right here. It gives you the email right here. And then obviously you tell it where you want, where you want the, a clickable URL to take people to, whatever it is, maybe your thank you page or something that you're trying to offer them or teach them. But then you can see right here, here's another email right here. It says the simple way to use the 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts for beginner friendly. So that's the second email. And then here's right here, 3 ways beginners use these prompts to make money. So it goes through here. Here's the headline, like I said. Here's the body right here, and it gives them pointers to help them. Okay, and here's the next email right here. Okay, so let's just count right here. So it's actually done 1 email, 2 emails, 3 emails. This is the 4th one right here. Avoid these 5 ChatGPT mistakes most beginners make. Beginners make them. And then this is, like I said, the fifth one. And then this is the sixth one right here. And this right here is keywords that you can use to kind of further go on about what you're doing. And then here's some, meta tag titles and stuff that you could use if you wanted to post these on any kind of blog post. But basically right here is we give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's a total of 5. It's either 5 or 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 follow-ups. And that will help you. And then what you can do too is you can just tell ChatGPT, see, you can actually do, a 7-day or a 14-day, and it will actually start off with, like, this is the 5th email. So we'll do 6, and you can just say how many more you want. You might say, hey, write 10 more out for me, and then it will do it, okay? But usually you want your emails to be short, to the point, to be able to help people. So like I said, that's why I've created this tool. It's basically a free AI prompt generator tool that does 7 different features. Like I said, it can actually write blog posts for you with the prompts that it gives you, a sales page, which I showed you in that video yesterday. And like I said, today I did the email sequence. So basically what you can do is basically click the link below this video in the description and in the first comment, and click the link, and it will take you to the free AI prompt generator tool for email sequence, no writing skills needed, and the other features that you can see right here. And I'm going to make videos for each one of those that will help you guys. But make sure that you share this free tool on Facebook, Twitter, which is X, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Reddit to get this out to really help people and stuff. That's why I've created this free tool, is to help you guys have greater success. Make sure you share this video also on all the different social media platforms. Also, if you have any kind of questions, please post them below in the comments area. Also, post links to, maybe your sales copy page or your blog post that you wrote with this prompt generator, with this AI prompt generator, and too with the email sequence. Send us a link and show us the opt-in page that you created that you used the sequence. So once people signed up for your list, they'll start getting your emails, and the emails that you wrote were with our prompt generator here, the free AI prompt generator tool for email sequences, okay? This can help a lot of people out. This is free. You don't have to opt in for it or anything like that. You just need to click the link in the description or in the first comment. And like I said, make sure that you post comments below. And if you have any kind of questions, I'll answer them within 24 to 40 hours. The next video that I'll make will be about social media posts. So stay tuned to the next video. Thanks again for watching my video on free AI prompt generator tool for email sequences. And like it says, no writing skills needed. Thanks again. This is Chad Bernova. See you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.